Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix the error loading captions issue on YouTube so you can watch videos with subtitles without any interruption. First, refresh the video page. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch, and reloading can fix the problem instantly. If that doesn't work, try closing and reopening your browser or the YouTube app. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent captions from loading properly, so switch to a stable network if needed. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings and remove cache data because corrupted files can interfere with captions. If you're using extensions, disable them one by one, especially ad blockers, as they can sometimes block subtitle files. Also, try switching the video quality or turning captions off and on again. Finally, update your app or browser to the latest version to fix compatibility issues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.